In this video, I'll be showing you how to use pairdrop.net. So with this website, you'll be able to transfer files between multiple devices. And the good thing is that the devices don't have to be on the same internet connection or Wi-Fi connection. As long as you have an internet connection, you'll be able to transfer files. Alright, so first thing to do is to make sure that you access the website by opening any browser you want and heading to pairdrop.net. For this example, we are working with devices that are not on the same Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so on one of the devices, you head over to this icon up here, you tap it, and then you're going to get a code. So you're going to have to use this code on the other device. So I'm on the other device, I'm going to tap the same icon and then enter the code. After entering the code, you can see now that the devices can now see each other. So on the left is the device that created the room, the code, and on the right is the device that joined using the code. So let's say I wanted to send a picture from the device on the left to the one on the right. I'll just tap the name of the phone. You can see the name down here. If you check on the phone on the right, at the bottom you'll see where it says you are known as Aquamarine Camel. So in case you have multiple devices, just make sure you select the right one. So I'm going to select this, tap photos and videos, and from here I can choose the picture that I want to send. You can see on the other device I can accept the picture if I want, and it's going to get downloaded to the device. So after you're done sending all the files, the next thing to do is to leave the room you created. So you tap here and then tap leave, and do the same on the other device so that the room will be deleted. Alright, that's for when you are not on the same Wi-Fi network. But if both of the devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, you don't have to create a room, you'll just see the device pop up. So from here you can do whatever you want, like sending pictures. So that's how you use the website to transfer files between devices. The website is still a bit buggy, but I'm sure with time they're going to fix everything. If you found the video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Ask me any questions you have, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.